to a new video, guys. So it's a short announcement at the beginning of these sets of videos. So what we are doing is a charity fundraiser sort of event. By watching these videos, you are indirectly supporting Macmillan Cancer Support. All my income from December will be going and donating to Macmillan Cancer Support in January. So I'd much appreciate it if you hit that big red subscribe button at the bottom. Turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. It should be twice a week, Wednesday and Friday. And make sure you share the video to make more people watch it, to try and raise as much as we can possibly raise this month. It'd be amazing to give lots and lots of money over to charity. Right, so hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you stay tuned for lots of these videos over the course of December.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Hope you're having a good Friday. So I'm going to tell you how you can change the Amazon Echo wake word. I'm not going to say the A word. So you're going to go to that A app, yeah? Going to go to devices, and then we're going to go to device settings. Find the device that you want to change, so the Echo, and then you can change the wake word. And as you do that, your Echo will go orange around the bottom on the ring, and then that means it has worked. So we're going to demonstrate that now using our new command word of Amazon. I hope you haven't set it to that already. So hopefully your device will not go off. If it does, I apologize. But let's test it out.
Amazon, what time is it?
It's 4:04 p.m. Hope you're having a good evening.